Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss here about quadratic equations. What is quadratic equations? How to find out the roots of the quadratic equations and how to find out the roots of imaginary roots of the quadratic equations. Yes, now discuss about your quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard equation of the quadratic equations. This is standard equation of the quadratic equation where a, b, c are real numbers. Where a, comma b, comma c belongs to real number, but a does not 0. Value of the a will be not 0. BC in 0, but a will be not 0. Other a, b, c all belongs are real numbers except a is not 0. Second things, how to find of the roots of this quadratic equations. So this is a simple idea to find the roots of the minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You know the name of this quantity here, b square minus 4ac are called here discriminant. This is called the d, and b square minus 4ac. If d is less than 0, if d value of the d is value of after solving this portion, if value of the d come here less than 0 means negative numbers, then you can say this quadratic equation having the imaginary root. So then given quadratic equation have given quadratic equations have imaginary and different root. Imaginary है otherwise unequal. Unequal root. Then you can say, suppose value of this d less than 0 means negative numbers, then you can say the given quadratic equation have the imaginary and unequal roots. So what is the imaginary here? You know, then value of the imaginary here is not on it. Then you can say this value of this x, what is the value of the x? Minus b plus minus root 4ac minus b square, and this is the iota upon 2a. This you can say in this roots of the in this form also, so minus ac minus b square are here iota here outside of the multiplier, or value of the iota here minus root minus 1. Then you will multiply here, then you will come here the same value. Then this form you can write in this form. Otherwise this iota here iota is called imaginary roots. Iota here called imaginary roots. Then this part is called the imaginary part. So how to find the value of this quadratic, how to find the roots of this quadratic equation? According this way, otherwise you can this way, then find the value d and then you can write the imaginary roots. Yes, note down it, then next portion. Yes, student. How to understand these questions, how to find the imaginary roots here? I'm taking one first question number first from the exercise 5.3. Question number first here, solution. The x square plus 3 equal to 0, x square equal to minus 3. Then square transfer the right side here, then this will convert minus 3. Then this will convert here minus 3 and plus minus here. Then you can say plus minus root 3. So root 3 you can write this way, and minus 1 you write in this way. This minus 3 you can write in two form, root 3 and minus 1, root minus 1. The value of this minus 1 is called the iota, plus minus iota root 3. So this is your value of the x. This is your roots of the x. What value of the roots of the x? Here plus minus iota root 3, because minus root 1 is called the iota. So this minus 1 converted into iota, and root 3 are same that, and then you can write here in this form. So suppose you are squaring the both sides here, then this will get it. How now you check this? Suppose you plus minus iota root 3. Suppose you squaring both sides. Squaring both sides means x square plus minus iota root 3, and then this square. Then this left side will become x square plus minus iota square, and this is root 3 is 3. Then this is called iota square equal to minus root 3, and iota equal x plus 3 equal to 0. So means value of this particular question means this answer is correct here. When you squaring both sides here, this solution, if you squaring both sides, you will get the questions here. Means your answer is correct. Squaring both sides here, x square and iota root 3 square, this square here, iota square here, right, or root square here 3. Value of the iota square, or value of the iota square is called is minus 1. Then iota square converted to minus 1 into 3. The minus 3 transposing left side to the x square plus 3 equal to 0. This means your answer is correct. Yes, note down it. This is the checking process. Then you note down it. Yes, students, how to solve this question here? Now look here. First, this is the given quadratic equations. You will find the roots of these equations. Yes, now look here. First, we write the question here: 2x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. This equation is the standard form of the quadratic equation. So now you can write here standard form equation: a square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Equating both equation here, what value of the a here? Value of the a 2, b are 1, and c are 1. Means no any number here, means the coefficient is 1. The value of these x coefficient here b, then here 1, c value is 1, s square coefficient here 8 means equal to. This is the coefficient of this. After that, you will check here that this equation having the real root or imaginary root. First, we will check here with the help of the discriminant b square minus 4ac. First, we will check this equations, quadratic equation having real roots or imaginary roots. Then, putting the value here 1 square minus 4a into c. 1 minus 4 to the 8, this is the minus 7. The value of the d, this is, means this is less than 0. This is condition of the less than 0, negative value here. You can say the given equation has imaginary root. So, given equation has imaginary roots. Means given equation has imaginary roots, then you can solve with the help of the imaginary roots. So now here look here, x equal minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Using this identity here, a value of this here b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac already share value of minus 7. You can write here minus b, means minus 1 plus minus. This is, you can write here root minus 7 upon 2 into 1. A value of this here a equal to 2. So then you write here 2. Value of the b here 1, and b square minus 4ac already you have solved here. B square minus 4ac value here come here minus 7. So you put it direct minus 7, root already same here. And 2a, value of the a are also 2, 2 to the 4. So then you write here minus 1 plus minus, then you write root 7 into root minus 1, then you get 2 to the 4, minus 1 plus minus iota root 7 upon 4. So then these are the two roots. The value of the root minus 1 is equal to iota, and then you write here this in this form, value of the x. Then you can write here two roots of here, x equal to minus 1 plus iota root 7 upon 4. Second, minus 1 minus iota root 7 upon 4. These are two roots of the x. Plus minus, first is positive form, first I am writing the positive form, second I am writing here negative form. Here plus minus, two sign here, first sign I am taking positive, second sign I am taking the negative. So these are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. This is your answer. Two roots of the given quadratic equation. You will write every, first you will check here, discriminant here, to given equation having real root or image root. First we will check the value here come less than 0, means minus 7 is less than 0. Then given equation having here image root. So you will solve accordingly with help of the image root formulas. Then putting the value here, then find this and find the two roots. Yes, note down. Then next question. Yes class, next question I am taking question number 50 here. Same question here, this is given quadratic questions. First you will compare the standard equation of the quadratic, then you will find the roots of these equations. Yes, now start the solution here. You start the solution here. X square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. You are equating x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then marker. Equating here a equal here 1, b equal 3 and c equal 5. This is your first write the standard form. This is standard form, equating is standard form the given equations. The coefficient a, x square here a, then here 1, here coefficient of x here b, then here 3, and coefficient of c here is equal to 5. First same that you will find that, you will check this given equation having real root or imaginary root. Which equation here, then you will check first. D equal b square minus 4ac with help of this. So what value of the b here? 3. Square of 3 square minus 4. A is 1 or c is 5. 3 3 is 9. 9 5 4 is 20. This is minus 11. Value of the b here minus 11. This is the less than 0. Subtract the 11. This is less than 0. It means given equation having real roots. So given equation have imaginary and unequal roots. Given equation have imaginary and equal roots. Yes. Image, then using the identity of the image minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here b square minus 4ac here. This is the value of the given d, discriminant. And this is already solved here, value here minus 11. We are putting value here, what is value of the b? Minus 3 plus minus root minus 11 upon 2 into a. Value of a is 1. First you write the b minus 3, b square minus 4 is already solved here, value come here minus 11, and putting minus 11, then you write here minus 3 plus minus, you write here 11 into root minus 1 upon 2. Then you can write here minus 3 plus minus iota root 11 upon 2. So this is value of this. This is the root of the given quadratic equation. This is the root of the given quadratic. Here two roots plus minus, then write in separate form. X equal minus 3. First you write the positive form. Here. Iota root 11 upon 2. Second minus 3 minus iota root 11 upon 2. The first root I am writing here positive form. Second writing here negative form. Because you are having two roots, then write in separate form, positive and negative. This is your answer. Very simple things here. You have learned this idea. First, you will check here in every question. A given equation have a real root or imaginary root. First, we check in this way. What value are less than 0, greater than 0, equal 0. Three conditions here. Mostly this exercise always question come in this condition, imaginary roots. Less than greater than 0 or equal to 0. These are question in the class 10 question standard. But in this class 11, you will having only imaginary roots. Suppose you are having here equal to 0 means equal roots, imaginary a real root and equal root. Suppose you are greater than 0, the real and different roots. And less than 0 means imaginary and unequal roots. Yes, note down it. Yes, student. Next question I am taking question number exercise, question number 1. This is important questions. This exercise is the mixed exercise 5.1, 5.2 or 5.3. In this exercise I am taking question number 1. You know कि iota 18 plus 1 upon iota 25 whole power is 3. You know what value of the iota here? Value of the iota here minus root 1 minus root minus 1. Iota square equal to minus 1. Iota cube equal minus iota. Iota 4 equal to plus 1. So these values keep in mind. In these values. According to these values, we will solve this question. Yes, now start the question here. Iota 18, solution start here. Iota 18 is divided 2 into 9 plus 1 upon iota 25 and whole power is 3. First of all, I converting this iota 18 is 2 9 18. Means 18 break down 2 into 9. And this whole power 1 exponent 25 equal to 1. And iota is 25 and I am not writing here same that. 1 exponent 25 means 1. After that you will do this. What value of the iota square? Iota square value is minus 1. This means minus 1 is whole power is 9 plus. This iota 25, I break down is the iota 25 here iota into iota 24 in this form. Iota 25 break down here iota into iota 24. So this you write here iota and iota 24 and whole power is 3. After that, minus 1 having the odd number exponent, then this will got the minus 1 plus 1 upon iota. Iota 24 means 4 6 are. This iota 24 I have break down it iota 4 into 6. This iota are same. This iota 24 break down 4 into 6. So then same that here minus 1 plus 1 upon iota. And what value of the iota 4? Value of the iota 4 is plus 1. This is exponent is 6. Value of the iota 4 here 6. 1. Iota 4 is 1 and whole exponent here 6. So then you can write here minus 1 plus 1 upon. With the iota 1 is called 1 means iota and this is called the whole power here 3. After that, first of all you will value of the iota 4 here is called plus 1. Value of iota 4 here called is plus 1. This is right one. 1 exponent 6. 1 exponent 6 is equal to 1. That means 1 exponent 6 is equal to 1. Or 1 into iota. 1 into iota is equal to iota. 1 into iota is equal to iota. Then this is converted. But this iota came here denominator. Then first remove this. Minus 1 plus 1 upon iota. You will multiply and divide with the help of the iota here. Here iota came here denominator. Then you multiply and divide both iota. What result came here? Minus 1 plus iota upon iota square. The whole exponent is 3. This is minus 1. A value of the iota square here minus 1 plus iota upon minus 1 upon whole power is 3. So value of the iota square is minus 1 and this minus 1 plus again minus here. This will be converted here minus 1 minus iota is exponent 3. It means your denominator portion has been solved. Your denominator portion has been solved here because iota square came here plus minus 1, a plus minus here minus. Then you can say it means denominator portion has been solved. Then you take minus 1 is common. Minus 1 exponent taking common here. What 1 plus iota cube. Both first term and second term I am taking minus 1 common. Whole exponent here 3, then right here 3. Minus 1 taking common. Exponent here 3, then you write the exponent same here 3. This will be left inside the 1 plus iota whole exponent 3. So what we do here, this is called the minus 1 and 1 plus iota whole cube. Iota whole cube. This is converted here. Minus 1 exponent cube means this is the minus. What is left here? 1 plus iota. 1 plus iota is whole cube. So then you will write here identity of a plus b whole cube. What identity of a plus whole cube? This is the a plus b whole cube. This is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. This is the identity of the a plus b whole exponent 3. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. So using this identity in this part. Yes. Minus here a cube means 1 ka cube 1 plus iota cube plus 3 into 1 into iota and 1 plus iota. Expand this identity here. A plus b whole cube and then here outside here this minus here right here outside of this. Then this will be checked. 1 cube is 1, iota cube, what value of the iota cube is minus iota. Value of the iota cube is minus iota. Then right here minus iota. And because iota cube is equal to minus iota, then I am writing here iota cube here minus iota. Then plus 3 iota, 1 plus iota. This minus sign is saying 1 minus iota. Multiply inside plus 3 iota and plus 3 iota square. This 3 iota multiply inside the bracket. 3 iota 1 is 3 iota, 3 iota into iota, 3 iota square. What is left here? Minus 1 iota is minus iota. We calculate here 3 iota or iota plus 2 iota. Plus 2 iota. 3 iota minus 1 iota is plus 2 iota. Are here converting minus 3 because iota square equal to minus 1. Value of the iota square is minus 1. So this iota square is minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So then what is solved here? Solution here minus 3 is a minus 2 plus 2 iota. Minus 2 plus 2 iota. And this minus sign multiply inside. What value is left? 2 iota minus 2 iota. This is your final answer. This is your final answer. So this outside minus multiply inside minus here plus minus plus here minus the 2 iota. This is your final answer. This is your final answer. So when you solve in the any question in this type, very carefully, first you break down the identity in even and odd. This is the I will take even and 2 9. Then what will you? You will break down only to exponent 2, 3, 4. Mostly 2, 3, 4. So then 2, 2 9 value of iota square is -1. Here 24. Exponent is bigger exponent here. Then you break down 1 and 24. So first you factor of the 24 here, 4 6 are 24, factor of this. Value of the iota 4 here is +1, 1 exponent is 6 is equal to 1, but then what is left here only iota. And here iota came here in denominators, then you multiply and divide here, rationalize it. Then iota square, this iota square can be -1 here, the plus minus again minus, this minus sign taking common, 1 plus iota. 1 plus iota whole exponent 3. So using this identity, a plus b whole exponent 3, a cube b cube plus 3b. Using this identity here, then you can say 1 iota cube means minus iota, and then multiply here this, calculate and find the value of this. Very simple question, but very carefully when you calculate it. Just note down it.